Oh, I don't like this. Something gonna run at me.
Gonna run at you.
Ah! Something's running at us!
Oh,
Oh
it's
my
so dark. Okay. Okay.
This is actually a really good looking.
Oh
Oh
my-
my god! Oh, fucking Casper, dude. What the? Oh yeah.
Stupid.
Good start. Good start.
Good choice. Keep it up.
That was an incredible hint.
Charge
Gotta
it.
be something down here. Keep going.
So loud.
I know. They need to fix that.
Oh my
Oh
god,
my
I hate
God.
you so much. Stupid little
Gotta be
ghost
something
thing.
down here. Keep going.
Okay. There is. Oh, it's. Go check what it is.
Oh! Did
What?
you see that?
What?
There was something that just ran across.
No. I looked away for a second.
Oh my god, that was so scary.
Dude. Hi.
Oh!
Oh! I don't like the vibe.
Yeah, this is really sketchy.
No, we're good. We're good. We're good. It's just a creepy little maze. Some hedges. In for another one of those Casper things to pop out.
Oh, another book. Look, right here.
Looks like you gone the wrong way.
We're good. We're chilling. There's nothing in here. It's just a bunch of bushes. Good vibes.
Just death and malice and
This looks like something's gonna happen to you.
oh my god.
I'm just kidding. No, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. Oh!
What?
Nothing?
What's this way?
There's nothing at all. Over
Oh.
there, down the...
Oh! Oh my god. Ah! God. Ah!
Stupid. Dude, whoever is running around in the dark, it's creepy. How about we don't do that?
Thanks. What's that screeching off in the distance?
It's our impending death, looming closer.
Oh,
With every turn, we get closer to death.
oh my
Oh,
lord.
look, a bunch more turns. Oh, what
Ah!
God, I hate these things.
I know,
So
I know.
dumb. Jesus, dude. That is some pitch black abyss.
Oh,
I'm like trying to mentally prepare for one of those ghosts to pop out, and then every time I let my guard down, it just pops out.
yeah. Take a break. Oh,
Oh, we
we
did
found
it.
the work site.
Ooh, what's this? Oh, it's a compass.
Oh, found
Compass.
flares on the table too.
How do I... Oh, glow stick. We can drop the glow stick to figure out where we've been.
Oh, that's good. So over here, this is sketchy, but
Always a good way to start off where we're going. This is sketchy, but if you're gonna read this, I'm in here. Don't board it back up. Okay.
all right.
Go ahead
Well,
and drop my last glow stick. Last glow stick I'm ever gonna see. Hi.
yeah. Oh my god, I don't like that music. What is this? Oh, nice.
Oh,
Just some
nice.
satanic stuff.
Yeah. The word was on the statues deeper in the maze. It's something.
Over here. Can you drop a glow stick here, just so we know?
The glow stick.
Oh!
What? What? What?
You did? There was... Said that...
I was.
Something... Oh god.
You said drop
Oh,
a glow
God.
stick.
No, there was something... It just... I don't even know. This is so sketchy.
Fine, we got glow sticks. Oh my god, why is it closing in on us? I'm getting claustrophobic.
Oh, I don't like this. Something gonna run at me.
Gonna run at you.
Oh! Something's running at us! My God! What the fuck? Dude, I called that shit.
Dude,
Oh
I keep
my
looking behind
Lord.
us, and I'm afraid like one time I'm gonna turn around and there's not gonna be nothing behind me. There's gonna be actually something.
Oh!
Like children laughing.
What?
It's just a tricycle. It's usually a good sign, right?
Dude, is the guy from frickin' Saw here? What the hell?
Ah! What was that? What the hell? You hear that
I don't know.
noise?
That low guttural noise, yeah. Maybe there is like a number on one of these skulls or a letter? No.
Wait, what's that behind you?
What? Don't do that to me.
Oh god. We're good, we're good, we're not gonna die, it's all fun. Fun games. Just pitch black.
Phone.
Oh, a tape.
This could actually come in handy. This is Officer Frank Mills.
Oh, but
My boy Robert's been missing for nearly 2 days now. We are not moving fast enough. I'm taking it on myself to get through this damn gate and find whoever's hiding in this maze. This should help me keep evidence anyways.
alright, your turn, go first.
Oh no.
Roll the dice. Roll the dice. Oh, creepy little
Creepy house. Another book here on the ground.
wench's hut.
Oh my god. Creepy music box.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. Let's go in. Nothing bad ever happens with creepy music boxes. Somebody's having a bad day down here. Find herself. Give them some space. Found some sort of mechanism back here. Managed to get the whole thing glowing. Wonder if it controls anything. Oh god, checkpoint save. That's never a good thing.
Nope.
Oh, EQU.
Oh my god. There's so many
Like-
different ways we can go.
Password.
Oh my god!
I'm bleeding out. I need help.
Okay, I'm coming. Dude.
Okay. Oh my god. Okay, that is not the one that you freeze. That one you run for your life.
Dude, the thing's so fast. Oh my god.
What? What?
You didn't hear that growl? Oh my god! It's behind us! It's behind us!
Oh my god, it got me. Why is it me?
I don't know.
I know. Oh, I already forgot what the other one is. Cute. What the
You saw that too?
Yeah, the statue's mean mugging me, man.
I know.
What the hell? How come you're not dropping glow sticks?
Me?
Yeah.
How do I drop them?
Hit R and go to your glow sticks. Or
Oh my god, it's right there! Ah! Ah!
no, not again! Oh my god, not again, dude. Oh my god. Why?
Oh my god! Ah! Did we? Oh my god.
I'm assuming you
Almost-
died.
Yeah, I did.
Alex.
Ah! God damn it.
Oh, what's that? XES? Oh. Oh. It's staring at you.
Oh my god.
Stupid ghost. XES. EQ. Or what was it?
Yeah, EQUINOXES. Well, we need to find that mechanism the guy was talking about.
Don't move, 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 don't move. Oh my god! It worked.
It worked? Okay.
Oh my god. Oh.
Oh my lord.
Okay, so it's a mini T-Rex.
Yeah, it's a mini T-Rex.
Don't move. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
Oh my god.
Don't move. You're okay. You're okay. Come on. Let's go. Oh, it's right behind you. Don't move, don't move. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Let's go, let's go.
Dude.
I thought you were dead. I'm so lost. Wait.
Did it? Dude, it closed.
It did close. Oh no.
Oh,
okay.
no.
Alright, I guess we gotta go find that mechanism. Oh, creepy whispers. Oh, it's next to us. I hear it.
I'm not moving. Do we go?
We could stay here and we could live here. We could just live in this corner of the maze.
Yeah.
Up. Damn it! Oh my god, dude. I hate you.
Don't move! Don't move! Don't move!
I hate you. Hate you. Oh, I don't think we've been. God.
Dude, this is so scary.
Oh no. The symbols.
Is this the Mecca? Oh,
Oh, this is the mechanism. I'm guessing. Oh, you gotta touch them all to assume get all of them to light up.
that looks like a stick figure jumping, kind of.
I was gonna say a Japanese calligraphy, but we'll go with a stick figure jumping. Okay, I have no idea what the hell we're doing.
Yeah.
Wait,
Oh,
what?
You did it! You did it!
Alright,
You solved it somehow.
Okay.
And checkpoint updated. Alright, what awaits us next?
or
There's
death.
a gate there. I don't like this.
Oh, you love this. You live for this maze.
Wait, there's a glow stick here.
Oh, we're back here,
we
we're back
all-
here.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
It was ENQINOXES.
ANO, and then X something.
XES. XES.
Oh, yep.
Oh, let's go.
Let's
Oh.
go.
That base. Hey, look, a book.
So
Looks
dark
like
over
death.
here. Dude, this flashlight is the worst flashlight. Wait. What? Oh no. Okay, we have lanterns now.
Okay.
Compasses.
Well, that's better.
Gate locked behind me. My radio's not working either. Gonna move further into the maze. See if I can get a signal. I don't know if this is better. It's
Yeah,
brighter.
it's not
It's
that
like
much better.
brighter closest to us, but it's so much darker further away.
Oh, this looks great.
Yeah. Excuse me? What was that?
I don't know. Definitely behind that gate.
Well, I'm sure we'll find out soon enough what it was.
Yeah. Oh no, another gate we have to open.
Oh, objective. Find 5 seals.
Oh no.
What did I just do?
I don't know.
I'm sorry, I'm closing the gate behind me. The thing has been trailing me through the maze ever since I pulled the lever. Oh no. I can hear its thumping footsteps and its raspy breath. I'm not sure I can keep going knowing it's following me. Why did I do that?
I think all the gates opened. Yep, all the gates opened. There is a tape on top of here.
Wait. What is that?
Oh my god.
What is that?
I don't know. I can hear it walking. I'm crouching.
I do not like that.
That is the
awful.
sketchiest sounding shit.
It's the
Officer
tape.
Frank Mills here. Managed to get through
It's
the first
absolutely
gate
awful.
using some old puzzle, but I've run into a second gate now. There's open space that I can see behind it, which I'm willing to bet is the old fur residence. My gut tells me Robert will be in there. Now, How can I get this damn thing open?
Okay, so, alright, look. So this note right here says there's one seal in the farm field, one in the greenhouse, one in the cages, and one in the playground, but they don't know where the fifth one is. Oh god.
Just run blindly
What?
in here.
What's that noise?
What is that?
I don't like that
No.
noise.
Okay, it's coming from that way. Let's go the other way. What? Please stop breathing like that.
Oh my god. Dude,
I
this
feel
is
like-
scary.
I feel like it wants us to choose the path that's brighter, but we should take the path that's darker.
Okay.
Or I could be absolutely wrong and we both could just be walking to our inevitable death.
You know, I think you might be right.
Probably. Okay, how bad can this monster be?
It sounds terrible.
It sounds so awful.
Another book.
Stone butthole.
Have you been putting glow sticks down so we know where we're going?
Oh, nope. I forgot I had those. I've just been so crippled with fear that I forgot I had glow sticks.
Oh my god.
Oh no. Oh no. The music's getting aggressive. Oh! I hear something over there. I heard like
Let's try this
I heard
way.
like a woman groan.
Oh, f that.
Let's go find it. Let's see what it is.
Oh, over here, behind us, behind us, behind us. We found the greenhouse.
Okay, greenhouse. Oh,
Bunch of little post-its everywhere.
okay. Wait, what? Damn vines react to common pesticides. Just make... Oh! What? The hell was that?
What is that?
What is happening? Oh! No! It's fucking Smeagol! It's fucking Smeagol! Lantern! No!
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until